Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop Transmission channel. Doing a second video here on the 2007 Jeep Commander with the locked up, blown up HEMI 5.7 V8 engine. The owner brought this to me last week, I think it was. He had purchased it knowing that it was locked up. The engine was blown up, whatever you want to call it. And you can see I'm in the process of removing the engine now. It's not going to be much of a video because, like I say, it's nothing exciting. I did pull the valve covers and rocker shafts off the engine, as you can tell. We have one bent push rod in the back cylinder here. I've removed the water pump, most of the timing cover bolts, and that's about it, really. Like I say, there's really no reason to go into detail on this because though it looks like a lot's been done, it hasn't really. Just a lot of little bolts here and there, nuts and bolts. So stay tuned for part 2, or part 3 rather. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment.